All right. So Chef Sidekick Joe has brought up some venison chops. Medallions.
Yep.
Where'd you get them? Publix? Kroger?
No, sir. Kroger delivery.
Where'd you get them?
I shot deer.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dear.
So you brought this, you harvested this year by yourself. What is this? Oh, Wisconsin cheddar. Mashed potatoes.
But we're going to need to serve that too. All this production stuff is like,
This is looking pretty good. Perfect. Joe, thank you very much.
that's unbelievable. Wow. That's pretty incredible.
You know what? It's not tough at all. I mean, you hear that about venison? It's because you marinated it. Did you marinate it before you froze it?
Yeah, it's been marinating.
That's a big difference. I mean, marinating before you froze it, and then after you
I froze it in the marinade.
Uh-huh.